Aruba, getting ready for some more adventure, so tag along. So guys, this morning we are at Dushi's Bagels and Burgers restaurant. Excited to try the breakfast. Everything looks so good on other people's tables. So let's see.
Eventually,
I can't take that long to cook.
You understand?
Wow! Honestly guys, the food took absolutely forever to come. As you can see, our order was pretty simple, yet it took such a long time to come out, and presentation wasn't its finest. Taste time! Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, that bite was pretty disappointing. The sandwich was pretty dry. After breakfast, we decided to take a trip to Aruba's aloe farm. The aloe plant is one of Aruba's major economy boosters. At the aloe farm, there's not only just a store where you can buy some incredible products, there's also a museum. You can have a free tour of the museum where they give you facts on the aloe plant, the company itself, Aloe Aruba, and they can show you the process in which they make some of their products. The factory is on hand and you get to take a nice walk through it.
yeah, I'm gonna be the guide and I'm gonna tell you the story of the aloe and what we make here with the aloe plants. So right behind me you can see the plantation that consists of 5 acres and more than 30,000 plants. It make part as well of the original plantation starting back in 1890. Now, what the history tells us about this plant is that it's not an original Aruban plant, that it was brought by the Dutch to boost the economy of Aruba out of an island, Arabic island, on the coast of Africa called Socotra. They brought it here and they saw that Aruba has the perfect climate to grow it. So back then, 2/3 part of the island was completely filled with the apple. So they decided to start working with it, but only focusing on the yellow sap of the plant. And the yellow sap I'm talking about is the one right here. Yes, this yellow sap is known as aloe, and it was used as a strong natural laxative. A way to export that laxative was boiling it for 8 to 10 hours to get it into a solid form, which was this rod right here. Do you ladies or gentlemen notice that we have like a big oven in the center of the whole store? Yes? Well, that's a replica of the oven that they used to boil the yellow sap to get it into this solid rock. Calling it the aloe horse, the aloe gum, or the gold of Aruba, because it was the first income to boost the economy of the island. It used to be exported and sold to pharmaceuticals to grind it up and turning it into pills, which was easy as well for a person to drink it and faster to help them go to the restaurant. So easy in, easy out. Yes, but in the 1968 it changed. A lot of people start to use the synthetic products instead of buying the laxative part. So they decided to start working with something else. But because there was a lot of plants around of the island, they decided to keep working with the aloe, but this time focusing on the crystal gel of the aloe. So it's with this crystal that we make all of the cosmetics products that we sell today in our store. We don't work anymore with the laxative part of the plant. They told me as well because a lot of Peruvian wives used to do bad things with their husbands and the laxative. They don't want them to go to poker games on Friday night with their friends, so they used to put the laxative, and you guys know what's happening, huh? So, gentlemen, be careful if you see your wife planting aloes at home, you know? No, I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, so if you take a look to the aloe, you're gonna see it has different shapes and sizes of leaves. So we don't have machines to cut it, and the process of cutting it is manually done. With some tools, welcome to Aruba. With some tools to help them make the process faster and easy. What we need is this a slimy liquid. But first, we have to scrape out the crystal. So, I'm gonna be cutting the flat part of the leaf, like filleting a fish. Yes, flat part, and then scraping out the gel. With the back of the knife.
Afterwards, we took a stroll through the aloe farm. There's pathways in which you can walk so that you are not stepping on the plants and disrupting their growth. The field is huge.
I did not bring hiking shoes. God, so we're back in the car leaving Aruba National Park. I don't know if it's closed today, but it is super like lonely out there. It is a Sunday, so maybe it is closed today, and you have to walk up the path. But it was just like super quiet, and there were 2 cars there, but then they were already on their way out leaving, so it was just us, and we lost service. So it's just like, you know, let's try this again another day, maybe take a tour guide or something. But we are on to a new destination.